Alright, so in this one we're gonna turn this cute little onesie I bought at the Goodwill into like a dirty bloody mess for the skeleton to hold. For the skeleton, and it's gonna look like a baby skeleton that's holding a doll. So I'll show you what that looks like when I am done, but this is a size 3 to 6 months that I bought for like $2 to $3. And sorry if you can hear the noise in the background. My daughter is watching Harry Potter. So I'm going to use, I have 2 different browns. They both say brown, but they're obviously 2 different. I'm not sure which one is going to look best. Maybe both of them for the dirt. And then instead of using like fake blood, I'm just going to use bright red paint. I think it's going to look better because the fake blood kind of fades over time. So I'm not really sure what I'm doing or how it's gonna look, so I'm just kind of winging it, and we'll see what it turns out to be. So I have my paintbrushes here. I'm not sure what paintbrush I'm going to use. I could use this for the dirt maybe. And then I'll use some paper towels. So let's just see how it goes. Maybe I'll mix both of the light and the dark brown together. Let's just start it off like this. See how that looks. I might just not even use the paintbrush, or maybe make it a little bit more dry. To try to get it just to look like dirt. I just want it to look dirty. That looks better. I feel like it gets really dirty around the neck area. think I like that. That's good enough, good and dirty. Maybe the back a little bit more. Alright. Next, I am going to put on the blood. I think I might just like, it might be a little messy. I don't really want to get paint everywhere. But I might also just use the same brush and do the dry method I was using already.
Very well.
Good job. Well, 687. Left, please. Eat, please.
Kind of want it to make it look a little like old blood.
I still need a wand.
A wand? We went all under. They go way better. Why don't you run along there and wait? Just one more thing I've got to do, you know?
Now the skeleton's gonna go outside, so at night, I think it needs to be
Hello? Hello?
What? Thumbs up again.
and there you have it. I think that's good. So let's put it on the skeleton and show you what that looks like.
You're finished?
Before I put it on the skeleton, I was just looking and I feel like it needs some dirt and blood here on the inside. Take off as much of the red as I can.
No, definitely not. No matter.
Okay. Now we will put it on the skeleton. Alright, so this is what it looks like. And then I'll show you how we're going to have it set up. This is how we're going to have it set up. I made this doll too last year. I just got a regular doll from the Goodwill and painted it kind of creepy. And that's why I didn't use fake blood, because it does kind of disappear. It's not as red as I'd like it, so I decided to use paint this time. But there you go. That's how you make a dirty onesie if you want to make your skeleton look like it's a baby. Let me know if you like it. Leave any comments in the section below if you have any, in the comment section below if you have any questions. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.